All right, guys. Sorry if I was not recording, then big whoop. All right, we're gonna try to get going now. All right, clutch in. All right, neutral. All right. All right. There we go. Woo! Oh, this is fun though. Yo. Okay. Feel that front brake. Okay. Okay. All right. Neutral there. Okay. All right. Oh, I didn't mean to. I put it in gear. Oops. Let's try that again. We had a little oopsie. I stalled, but it's okay. All right. All right. Stand up. All right. Clutch in. First gear. All right.
Dump the clutch.
Hell yeah.
So we're going. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more turning experience in. Oh my gosh. I'm only going 7 miles an hour. Dude, this is crazy. Neutral. Okay. Alright, I'm getting a lot better with the starting and the turning. It's feeling pretty good. There we go. Trying to feel the way the bike moves when I lean. I'm not even leaning that much, but like. Okay.
It looks sick, dude.
I think it's gorgeous. I might get rid of the front turn signals.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're enabling sport mode.
I don't think we'll even play over for that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And then you'll get the coordination, and then you'll get braking, and then you'll be able to
Dude, the leaning is
Yeah,
so,
no,
dude, that's so sick. Alright, alright. Oh, there we go. That was good.
That was a good ass start.
That was good. Lean over. Oh.
That was a good lap. That start was crazy. The brake, the stop.
I heard somewhere you should look in the direction you want to go. Oh, nice lean. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun, dude. This, Woo!
I'm gonna be like, dude, I'm teaching someone how to properly drive.
Oh, that's fun. Dude, that's so much fun, bro. I want to get let me get a clean start. Let's get a clean start. Yes. Let's go this way. All right, sport mode engaged. Dude, that is awesome, man.
That's nice, isn't it?
Dude, that's so much fun. Oh,
There you go.
oh, dude, oh my gosh, bro, that is awesome.
I know, dude. Now you're addicted.
Dude, oh my gosh, bro.